At this point, if you've been drawing along as you watch this, your character may already be developing her own little expression. But I'm going to show you how you can push expressions even further if you want to, and how you can plan them from the start. So much of the expression in the face is held in the brows and in the corners of the mouth. These are extremely expressive areas. You can see that even though here the brows and the mouths are represented as simple arrows, the expressions are still clear. An angry or serious expression has sharp, arched brows, and the corners of the mouth are downturned. With a pleasant or content expression, the eyebrows have a much softer arch. Often one or both sides of the mouth will turn up in a smile. With a mischievous expression, you'll often see one eyebrow arcs down, while the other may arc down but then quickly back up at the tip. You'll also often see one corner of the mouth headed upward to give the look of a sly smile. With a sad expression, you'll see the brows pointing upwards, with the very tips arcing even more upwards. The corners of the mouth will usually be slightly turned down. With a happy expression, you'll see softly arched brows, often placed a bit higher than usual. And you'll also see one or both corners of the mouth pointing upwards. I've provided a printout like this for you to experiment with expressions, just by altering the brows and the mouth. So first, I try some simple, softly arched brows, and a simple, softly arched mouth. Look how content she looks right away. Now, whoa, this is already dramatically different. We can tell right away this character is angry about something. With these sharp arched brows and downturned mouth, she's definitely frustrated or upset. I'm starting to feel pity for this character already. You can tell from the angle of her brows and the downturned mouth that she's really going through some sad times. Finally, with these mismatched brows and mismatched corners of the mouth, I can tell this character is up to something mischievous. Expressions are so much fun to play around with. Often I'll just free draw and let the character become the mood she wants to become, or really, whatever my subconscious decides to make her. Expressive characters can keep your work interesting and entertaining, so try them out as you work through your drawings. If it helps, just begin with simple arrows and shapes, then build off of that. Of course, it's not just the brows and the corners of the mouth that convey expression. All the features of the face play a role. So if you're interested in breaking down the expressiveness of the eyes even more, check out my class here on Skillshare called Let's Draw, Sketch Realistic Eyes with Pencils.